Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and I hope you guys are good. It is another vlog, as you can tell from the title. So I'm visiting this new spot in Enugu State called The Spot. I didn't plan that, but yeah, so it's called The Spot. It's in Independence Layout, Enugu State. So I want to go to the restaurant, vlog it, see what it's like, the feel, the food, get a taste of how the restaurant is as a whole. So that's kind of what I want to bring to you guys. So if you're in Enugu State or if you're planning to visit, make sure that you visit The Spot. So let me take you guys on a journey to The Spot. So guys, let's go. Got to The Spot. I'm about to go inside and I'm going to show you guys every single thing that The Spot has to offer. So let me take you inside. Come with me. Alright guys, welcome to The Spot in Enugu State. Look how beautiful the outside decor is. I love it so much. Let me take you guys inside. Come with me. Oh, just look at that. Like, he looks so classy, so beautiful, so neat. It has the whole kind of Instagram vibe for me. So you look cute eating your food, you can get a nice picture, you can enjoy your food. Best of both worlds. I don't want to go to somewhere that looks nice, but the food is not nice. But here, it looks nice and the food tastes amazing. If you like abacha, definitely try it out. Also, as you guys saw a few seconds ago, they have menus on the table. So let me tell you guys about their menu. So The Spot has a set menu which you can order from. However, if you come in and you want something that might not be readily available, you can also ask them and it shall be made for you. These orders include, but it's not limited to, pineapple fried rice, special fried rice, sweet and sour sauce, and you know now, all these are IGBO food that we love to enjoy when we come down. And of course, you cannot forget the grill. They have a grill outside and trust and believe, it tastes amazing. You best trust that. So also, you can also ring The Spot and place your order and they can deliver to you, or you can come in and pick up. Let me take you guys upstairs. Let's go upstairs. This is my favorite part of The Spot. Welcome to the upstairs of The Spot. Yeah, so look how clean it looks. The classy vibes. I love it. Look how neat the presentation. Everything just looks so put together. I asked them, they actually do rent out the space. So if you have a birthday dinner you want to host, you have a bridal shower dinner you want to host, you have a get together with your friend you just want to host this Christmas, or anytime during the year, you can also just give them a call and reserve the space. It is very neat. Look at the presentation. Just look at that. I am such a lover for details and presentation, and The Spot has the presentation down to a T. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me stop talking now. Okay, so guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. I really like the place. This is my first time visiting it. It's so cute. Upstairs, even cuter. So they rent out upstairs if you want it for, you know, birthday parties, birthday dinners, bridal showers, and all that good stuff. I took a milkshake to go, as I should. So it's so nice. It's really, really nice. So yeah, that is The Spot in Enugu State. Make sure you check it out when you come to Enugu State, or if you're in Enugu State already, make sure you go check it out. It's really lovely and their prices are friendly. So go check it out. What you waiting for? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys back for the next vlog. Thank you. Bye guys.